Hi there! So share ko lang yung W pair organizer na ginawa ko, and I want to explain the logic behind my design as well. So this one uses a velcro lock. So it opens on top. So pagbukas mo, kita mo na agad yung colors and sizes that are available to you. So storybook type yung cover niya para hindi nawawala yung takip pag inopen mo siya. And this base is made from 4-ply Bristol board as well as the dividers, and then the cover is made from pasteboard 30. So yun. So my wires are labeled, so color coded yung labels ko para madali ko malaman alin ang magkakapareho ng design ng sizes. Like this one, all these three are my 7/8 inch, so pare-pareho yung labels nga. And then ito is my 1 inch. So I have the size available in millimeter and in inch. So detachable yung labels ko as well as my dividers, so I can easily reorganize. So for example, naubos na yung 1/8 inch ko and I want to use the extra space for my other wires, so I can just move my dividers and my labels, add a divider here, add my 3/4 inch wires, ayan, and then add my labels on top. So isang layer lang siya kasi this is meant for small projects, para lang pag kumuha ako, hindi ko kuha yung isang buong box na isa lang ang color and size na available. So para ako may sampler platter. And then shadow box siya para nahuhold niya flat yung cover, and then it's sturdy enough, so pwede akong gumawa ng iba pang boxes for my other wire sizes and other colors. And then pagpatong-patuhin ko siya. I can use this side here para malaman ko kung ano yung laman niya. Like say 2:1 pitch na wire sizes. So yun. Yun lang. Sana nakatulong.